how to buy Bitcoin on OKX. Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can buy Bitcoin on OKX. Now, buying Bitcoin on OKX is the same way as buying USDT or buying any other kind of coin on OKX. It's very simple. The first step, of course, is to log in into your OKX account. So once you are logged in, the next thing is to ensure that you've carried out your verification. It is because without verifying your identity and your account, you will not be able to buy any kind of coin on OKX. And how do you verify? Move to the top left corner, click on the group of dots that you see there, and then you automatically see identity verification. So just click on it to get verified. Then you'll be redirected to another page entirely. You can see the option verify now. Click on it. Then you wait for it to load. Then you'll be directed to another page. Ensure you follow through all of these processes. Ensure you carry out your verification. And then once you're done, scroll down to manage access. Then click on withdraw. Then after clicking on withdraw, since you verified your account, what you can see on my screen will not be displayed for you. Instead, you will take it to the withdrawal page where you will be asked to select your withdrawal option. Then you have to choose BTC, which is a code for Bitcoin as the asset that you want to withdraw. Opt for internal transfer since it's within OKX and it doesn't require any gas fee. Then enter the recipient's phone number, email, user ID, etc. Specify the amount of BTC you wish to send. Submit the transaction. Monitor the withdrawal history icon to track the status of your transaction, and you are good to go. Remember to select the correct network for your crypto withdrawals and deposits to avoid issues. That is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.